Hi friends, I am Sajid and welcome to SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to compare the display quality between the Realme X2, Redmi Note 8 Pro and the Honor 9X device. So these three smartphones are having the different kind of display technologies. So I just want to try which is a very good either AMOLED panel or the IPS LCD panel or the LTPS IPS LCD panel, which is recently launched in the Honor devices, Honor 9X and the Honor Y9 Prime as well. So let's check in this video guys which display is the best display and which has a very low brightness and which has a very high brightness, and we'll be comparing everything in this video, so you'll get a clear clarity about which display is the best, so which one to choose when you're buying the phone. So I thought of making this kind of video because these three phones are priced at the same kind of price range. So it's a very small doubt that everyone will get which display is the best in this all the three mobiles. So in this video we'll get a clear clarity guys which display is the best. And if you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel friends. I'll be posting a lot of interesting reviews and a lot of comparison videos, so you can find the display comparisons and a lot of other tests which are attached in the one single playlist. So you can go to the playlist and you can find all the videos. So you can find the display comparison playlist as well. So you can find plenty of display comparison videos which I did in my channel. So you can go through that guys. So right now in this video, let's continue the video. So you can see friends, I have opened the same video in all the three phones. And let me start the video at the same time in all the phones. So as you can see friends, let me move the camera close to the phones so you'll get a clear idea which phone is better. So as you can see friends, right now I'm playing the same video in all the three smartphones. So Realme X2, Redmi Note 8 Pro and the Honor 9X device. So let me increase the brightness in all the phones. So as you can see, all the phones it's maximum brightness. And I can feel the brightness in the Realme X2 is a little bit better. As you can see friends, let me show you the side angle of all the three phones. How is the viewing angles of the phones? So here you can observe clearly that the brightness in the Realme X2 is slightly higher than the normal other phones. So now you can observe the clear difference between all the three smartphones. So let me try to decrease the brightness gradually in all the phones. Let me set to the 10%. And let's see which phone is brighter at the 10%. I can feel the Honor 9X is a little bit brighter when you use the 10%. Honor 9X and the Redmi Note 8 Pro. And right now let me try to decrease to the 5%. As you can see friends, as soon as the brightness decreases, the Realme X2 it got a lot more dimmer than the other smartphones on Nex and the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So here right now I can feel the brightness is more in the Redmi Note 8 Pro at the moment. So let me try to decrease complete brightness to 0 and let's see which phone is brighter. As you can see friends, the first is the Honor 9X device is more brighter, and then Realme X2 and then the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So Redmi Note 8 Pro is very good for the dimmer scenarios, maybe while traveling at night time. So this will be the best option, Redmi Note 8 Pro. But overall guys, the brightness in the Realme X2 is very much higher than the other smartphones. Let me try to increase the brightness to the maximum in all the phones. I can see the clear difference in terms of the brightness. But overall, in terms of the display quality, the Realme X2 is better in terms of the color saturation levels and contrast levels. So the next place goes to the Honor 9X device, and third position to the Redmi Note 8 Pro device. Overall, friends, these are the total display comparison between both the phones, all the three phones. So Realme X2 and the Redmi Note 8 Pro and the Honor 9X device. So for more videos, subscribe to my channel, guys, and stay tuned. And don't forget to check the links in description for the playlist of all the three smartphones. So you can find plenty of videos and a lot of comparison videos in terms of the display and the battery and the gaming and multitasking as well. So see you in the next video, guys. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.